So this is about to happen. No. Alright, do that. I'm crying. This is why we stay in school, kids. YouTube changes you, man. Never again will I ever do that, 'cause I just, that was like emotional kind of abuse. Be a YouTuber. It'll be fun, she says. I don't feel alive right now. Do it for the Vine, they said. It'll be fun, they said. I said I ain't gonna do it, I said.
Suck my ass.